नमस्कार. जय श्रीकृष्ण. श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि गौर भक्त वृंदा. Enunciating text 13, text 14 and text 15 of chapter 8. Manifestation of Brahma from Garbhodakshay Vishnu of third canto the status quo of Srimad Bhagavatam. Text 13. तस्यार्थ सूक्ष्माभिनी विष्टदृष्टे रंतर गतो अर्थो रजसा तनीयान गुणेन कालानुगतेन विद्धः सुष्यमस्तदा भिद्यत नाभिदेशात्. The subtle subject matter of creation on which the Lord's attention was fixed was agitated by the material mode of passion, and thus the subtle form of creation pierced through his abdomen. Text 14. स पद्मकोशः सह सोदतिष्ठत कालेन कर्म प्रतिबोधनेन स्वरोचिषा ततसलिलं विशालं विद्योतयन्नरक इवात्मयोनिः. Piercing through this sum total form of the fruitive activity of the living entities took the shape of a bud of a lotus flower generated from the personality of Vishnu, and by his supreme will it illuminated everything like the sun and dried up the vast waters of devastation. Text 15. तल लोक पद्मम स उ एव विष्णुः प्राविविशत सर्व गुणाव मासम तस्मिन् स्वयं वेदमयो विधाता स्वयं भुवं यमस्म वदन्ति सो अभूत. Into that universal lotus flower, personality of Godhead Vishnu entered as the super soul, and when it was thus amalgamated with all the modes of material nature, the personality of Vedic wisdom, whom we call the self-born, was generated. This lotus flower is the universal Virata form, or the gigantic form of the Lord in the material world. It becomes amalgamated in the personality of Godhead Vishnu in his abdomen at the time of dissolution, and it becomes manifest at the time of creation. This is due to Garbhodakshay Vishnu, which enters into each of the universes. In this form is the sum total of all the fruitive activity of the living entities conditioned by material nature, and the first of them, namely Brahma, or the controller of the universe, is generated from this lotus flower. This firstborn living being, unlike all the others, has no material father, and thus he is called self-born or Swayambhu. He goes to sleep with Narayan at the time of devastation, and when there is another creation, he is born in this way. From this description, we have the conception of three: the gross Virata form, the subtle Hiranyagarbha, and the material creative force Brahma. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare.